Hello children, we completed in English our first lesson. What is our first lesson? How the rhinoceros got his skin. This is our first lesson. We completed this first lesson. Now take your long notes. You are having your notes, no? Keep one notes for English. Separately maintain one notes for writing English. After taking, write your name. In first page, first write your name, class, subject. Leave that page. And in next page, with neat handwriting, write lesson 1. How the rhinoceros got his skin. Keep a heading. And in page number 8, in your textbook, page number 8, you are having meanings of first lesson. That write this meanings in your notes. After completing this meanings, now write the question and answers. You have to write your question answers. What is your first question? Describe the Parsi. What things did he possess? What is our first question? Answer the following questions. Write heading as answer the following. Answer the following questions. Answer the following questions. What is our first question? What is our first question? Describe the Parsi. Describe the Parsi. Describe the Parsi. What things did he possess? What things did he? In textbook also it is there. You can write this question by saying textbook also. What did he possess? Now, what will be the answer, children? What is your answer? Describe the Parsi. How is the Parsi before starting lesson? I said no. Parsi had a hat. Parsi had a hat. Parsi is having a hat, no? From which the rays of the sun. From which the rays of the sun, from which the rays of the sun were always reflected. Always reflected. How is Parsi? Parsi is having a hat. How is his hat? His hat, when sun rays are falling on his hat, the rays are reflecting. And what things did he possess? What things he is having? He had a knife. He had a knife. He had a knife, cooking stove, and oven. our first question. Describe the Patsy. What things did he possess? Patsy had a hat from which the rays of the sun were always reflected. He had a knife. What the things he is having? He had a knife, cooking stove, and oven with him. Him means whom? With a Patsy. Understood? Now, take your own time while you are writing. Take your own time, and with the help of your parents, you can also take the screenshot of this question answers, and you can zoom and write with the help of your parents. After completing first question, what is your second question? After completing first one, you are going to write the second one. I will give few seconds time to write. Write neatly. When you are writing, you have to write a neat handwriting. See, after completing this first one, total you are having 9 question and answers. This is your first one. First answer. This is your first answer. Now, second one. I am going to wrap this first answer. What is your second question? What things did he use? What is your second question? What things did he use? What things did he use to make the cake? To make the cake. What was the size of the cake? What was the size of the cake? Now, your answer. What things he used to make the cake? He used flour. He used flour, water, currants. Currants means what? Dried seedless grapes. Nothing but you can say it as kismis. He used flour, water, currants, plums. Plums means the cherry type. sugar and things which made and things which made himself a cake, which made himself a cake. What things he used? He used flour, water, currants, plants, sugar and things which made himself a cake. And it was, what was the size of the cake? And it was, what is the size? And it was 2 feet across, and it was 2 feet across and 3 feet thick, and 3 feet thick. How is it? What is the size of the cake? And it was 2 feet across. Total across it is 2 feet, and thickness is a fat. Fat is a 3 feet. More fat. Now, third question. Why could Patsy not eat the cake? What is your third question? Write this second question. After completing second one, I will give the third answer. As I said before, you can take a screenshot of this answer with the help of your parents. You have to write very neat handwriting. Next, in page number 8, textbook page number 8, you are having question and answers. You are having only questions in textbook page number 8. Answers I will give you. Third one. Now, have you completed second answer, children? Have you gone through this lesson? Now, third one. Why could Patsy not eat the cake? Not eat the cake. Why Patsy not ate the cake? Why? Because suddenly the rhinoceros came, no? The rhinoceros came and Patsy feared and he climbed the palm tree. Patsy saw a rhinoceros. Patsy saw a rhinoceros. With a horn on his nose. On his nose. With two piggy eyes. With two piggy eyes. Eyes are very big. And was afraid. And was afraid. So he feared. So he feared. He got feared. So he feared to eat the cake. To eat the cake and climbed. And he climbed which tree? The palm tree. Climbed the palm tree. This tree is near to him. Why Patsy not ate the cake? Because suddenly a rhinoceros came near to him. And how it is? It is having a horn on his nose. And it is having two big eyes, very big eyes. When he saw the rhinoceros, he was afraid. He got fear. Because of fear, he not ate the cake and he ran and climbed the palm tree. Because of fear, he not ate the cake and he climbed palm tree and he is on the top of the tree. Understood, children? I will give you few seconds time. After completing third question and answer, we will go for fourth question. Completed, children? As you are grown up, now you are in 5th class. You have to write neatly and somewhat fastly also.